Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to earn money from online. You can earn money very easily by using this website. Go to the Google and search for the Univox. The result will be like this. You want to join. After that, you want to provide all information about you, like I will show in this video. Next one is, in this website you can earn money by taking surveys, and they are giving as a joining bonus $2. Next one is 3 simple steps. First one is, you want to log in with your email ID. After you log in, they are giving $2 as a reward to you. Next one is, take surveys very simply and earn money. They are providing multitasking surveys about you in this website. Next one, earn rewards. If you completed one survey, they are providing many points. After you getting that points, you can redeem that points to your PayPal account. Next one is Univox rewards. Your rewards will be transferred to your account through your PayPal or MasterCard or Amazon gift card or Tango card. In India, most of them are using PayPal account. It is very easy to transfer money through your PayPal account. Next, if you are new to this website, means you want to join. You want to provide all information about you. Select the language, enter your name. Next, provide the last name. Select the gender. Enter your email. Next, provide a password to your website. Next, confirm the password which you entered on the above. Next, select your birth year and your date of birth month. Next, provide your email address. Next, enter the CAPTCHA to verify your email account. You should enter a correct CAPTCHA which you show on the side image. Next, after you log in, you want to complete the profile survey. After you complete the profile survey, the dashboard will be like this. In this dashboard, you can see the point balance. 100 point is equal to $1. They are providing 200 points. That means it equal to $2. Next, you can do jobs by clicking my surveys. You can see here there are 2 surveys available now. One is 88 points, second one is also 88 points. Next, they are providing surveys based on your profile. You can see here they are providing lot of surveys. First one is they are providing 255 points. That means $2.5 per completing one survey. They will provide surveys based on your mobile phone or based on your computer. You can see here there are a lot of surveys which are 46, 30 points, 43 points, 12 points, 11 points, so many of them. After that, you will check your earning points by clicking my points. You can see here there are 200 points. You can redeem it when it goes to 1000 points. If you want to redeem the points, means go to redeem points and click the password. Next, the page will open like this. if you wanted to redeem the points means you wanted to send a payment request to the Univox website. You can see here, you can withdraw your money by using PayPal account. Next one is you can see here, you can refer a friend by using your email ID or by using any other social media websites. You can see here, if your friend is login with your referral code means you will get 100 points. 100 points means approximately $1. You can check it here. Okay, I will show. I already have an account in this Univox website. You can see here, I am logging in. This is my personal website which I log in before 1 month. You can see my dashboard. See here, only I completed 2 surveys. For 2 surveys they provided 431 points, approximately $4.3. After that you can search my points, my survey and redeem points. You can see redeem points. I am entering my email password. You can see here, I earned 431 points, approximately $4.31. You can redeem it when it reaches to 1000 points. You can see here, I referred to 5 members. After they logging, they are providing 100 points per each login in different IP address. Thank you.